24 hours advanced reservations always required. Taste of Thur.com. Dress casual, comfortable and ready for a little walking. Enjoy some of the local historic sites along the way. Capture every photo op available for memory keepsakes. Enjoy several unique island local foods. Bring your family or friends or socialize with our other guests. Top is on the Strand Food and Alcohol Drink Pairing Tour. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday Walking Food Tour Galveston, Texas. The island's original food tour on Galveston, a full 2-hour culinary tour. Menu changes through the year. Nom nom 24-hour advance booking required. You will experience diverse eating samples. We have drink pairings included and we also family-friendly packages with no alcohol included in the tour price. Bring your appetite and please do it on your time with our full-day schedule of available tours. Rain or shine. Interested with being a food tourist or enjoy rich cultural travel? Taste of the Strand.com. Book today, it's 5 o'clock somewhere.